Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make post type to pages in image carousel on WordPress. Let's begin. First, open WordPress in your browser, click login and sign in with your Google accounts. From your dashboard, go to the quick links and select edit site right over here. Alright, you can even right click to open a new tab. Now once here, click on your image carousel. Then we should now be able to, for example, click on any image carousel block. Then on the right hand panel, this is the most important part. Click on the block tab to see its settings. Okay. Scroll to the post type section and toggle pages on. There should have various options in here once you've selected your image carousel. So this ensures your carousel displays pages along with post. Okay. Make sure to toggle it to turn this on. And that's it. You have successfully set up your WordPress carousel to include pages, making your site more dynamic and engaging. I hope you found this video very helpful.